Nutritional content comparison of health foods is the main topic of this image. Quinoa and almonds are on the left side of this image. Kale, blueberries and avocados are on the right side of this image. I can see multiple factors like health foods and nutritional contents. I can see multiple values like 50, 100 and 150. Also, there are many different factors are mentioned like proteins, fibers and calcium. To conclude, this image is very wonderful for myself. Mainly, the given picture is based on the topic of nutritional content comparison of health foods. On the x-axis, we can clearly observe there are kale, almonds and quinoa. Also, there are blueberries and avocados mentioned on the green stamps. Also, on the y-axis, we can also measure the values like 50, 100 and 200. On the middle point, there is a value which is likely 0. Proteins, fibers and calcium values are also observed in this image. Multiple colors like very highlighted in this image. Multiple numbers we can also mention in this image. To conclude, it is very informative image.